Can you believe it? This boy traded his iPhone 20 for a piece of rotten wood. His family asked if water had gotten into his brain, but the boy didn't care at all. Because this seemingly useless piece of wood, after the boy's meticulous restoration, the moment the finished product appeared, the rich man's eyes went straight and he offered $80,000 on the spot to buy it, stunning everyone present. The young man actually turned a piece of rotten wood into something unaffordable. In the end, the young man got smart and posted photos online with collectors competing to buy it, some offering as much as $100,000. The young man became famous in one battle with this creativity, known throughout the surrounding villages, with a prestigious reputation. Finally, he earned millions annually with this technique. What exactly is so magical about this rotten wood? Next, let's take a look at how it's made. When you see this stage, this exquisite vase is complete. Although the video is only a few minutes long, in fact, this man spent 7,746 hours to complete this task. So everyone should encourage the craftsman. Your support is the driving force for our creation. Thank you very much. Can you evaluate this vase? If the full score is 100 points, how many points would you give him? Welcome to the comment section. See you next time.